Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to achieve financial freedom? You're in the right place. In this video, we are going to explore 10 different passive income ideas that can help you build wealth and achieve financial stability. So, let's dive in. Passive income is money earned without active involvement. It can come from various sources, including investments, intellectual property, and rental income, among others. The beauty of passive income is that it provides a steady stream of income with minimal effort. One of the most popular sources of passive income is dividend stocks. Another great way to earn passive income is by renting out your property. If you have a spare room, a vacation home, or an investment property, you can rent it out to earn extra income. There are various platforms, such as Airbnb and VRBO, that you can use to rent out your property to travelers. Before you start, make sure to do your research and understand the regulations on short-term rentals in your area. Another excellent source of passive income is through investing in index funds. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund, you can gain exposure to a broad range of stocks with minimal effort. Over the long term, index funds have historically outperformed the majority of actively managed funds. One of the most lucrative sources of passive income in the digital age is creating and selling digital products. From ebooks to online courses, there is a wide range of digital products that you can create and sell on various platforms, such as Amazon and Udemy. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly, generating a steady stream of income for years to come. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative source of passive income. It involves promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission on any resulting sales. There are various affiliate marketing programs and platforms that you can join, including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, among others. Another excellent source of passive income is through peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, such as Lending Club and Prosper, allow individuals to lend money to other individuals in exchange for interest payments. These platforms provide a way to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts or government bonds. If you enjoy photography, consider selling your photos online. There are various platforms, such as Shutterstock and iStock, where you can sell your photos and earn passive income every time someone buys them. The key is to take high-quality, unique photos that stand out from the crowd. If you have a talent for writing, consider writing and self-publishing a book on Amazon. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform allows authors to publish and sell their books online, earning a royalty for each sale. The key is to write a high-quality book that resonates with your target audience. Finally, consider investing in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit (CD). While the returns may not be as high as some of the other sources of passive income we've discussed, they provide a low-risk way to earn additional income on your savings. Unleash your potential. Start today,